Hi, I'm Dr. Hunter Schaff, and today on our immunity series, we're going to go over how sleep impacts your immune system. Good sleep habits can help your body by decreasing inflammation and muscle fatigue, boosting your production of infection-fighting antibodies and cells, and shortening recovery time from a cold or flu. One question I get asked all the time is, what is the best position for sleep? So the two most optimal positions for sleep is going to be either on your back or on your side. For back sleeping, that keeps your spine in neutral position, meaning your spine is in line from the base of your neck all the way down to your tailbone. For this, you want to put a pillow underneath your legs to help take the pressure off of your lower back. Side sleeping complements the natural curvatures in our spine. For this, you want to keep a pillow in between your legs to help level out your hips. And you really want to avoid stomach sleeping altogether. Regular chiropractic adjustments and therapies have been shown to have a positive effect on your sleep health by relieving pain and discomfort, allowing for a more comfortable night of sleep, and decreasing stress. Getting a good night's sleep is easier than you think, and just making a few changes to your habits can impact not just the quality of your rest, but your overall health and wellness. And for more information on chiropractic care and healthy living, stop on by to one of our offices. We would love to see you.